In this video, I'm gonna solve all your doubts about how to buy Steam games with Steam points. So let's see if this is possible. If you come with Steam and log into your account, come on Store right here. Below wishlist, you will see Point Shop. If you click, you can search right here, but you will not find a game to buy because there is no way to use Steam points to buy a game, okay? If you do a little research, you can see that you can use them to buy games. But you can use them to buy some items on Steam. So for example, set up movies, avatar images, backgrounds, and so on. But there is no option to buy a game with Steam points. You just have these options right here. So you can drag your mouse to Story, click on Point Shop, and see everything that you can buy with Steam points. I hope I helped with the information. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.